Digital is everywhere, including at Adult and Pediatric Dental Care. We're here talking to Dr. Matt Crutch about digital imaging. What's the advantage?
Oh, geez, there's a lot of advantages, Tim, to digital imaging. One, it's a little more precise, and you can alter the image. You can actually put it up on a screen and change its contrast. You can have a negative look at the tooth. The nice thing about it, if it's not really what you want to see, you can turn around and snap another image extremely quick. You don't have to wait for the processing of film. Years ago, geez, that might be just 30 years ago, they used to take the picture and they have to dip it through a whole bunch of things and then hang it up and let it dry, and then they could say, oh, that's the right picture.
Right.
But now you can actually take the picture with a sensor that goes into your mouth, and it is instantaneous. And the other thing that's so beautiful about the digital x-ray is that there is almost no radiation whatsoever. Our cameras can be turned down so much that it's about like sitting in front of your TV. So.
And you talk about that too. I'm sure that it helps with the patient being able to look at their tooth right there on the screen so they can kind of see what you're talking about.
True. You can surely show patients a whole lot more about what their problems really are. And they like that. They like to know what you're doing. And that's all about the comfort level, about what patients feel. So.
Well, I think that once they understand, then they can take care of their teeth a little better. They can see what's going on. Before, you just have your mouth wide open, and then you come back, and there you go. So.
Yep. So that's a nice advantage, and again, it's all about keeping your teeth and doing it in a more precise way. And we've actually had digital imaging for, I know we've probably been about the first office to go completely digital, and we've probably done that maybe 7 or 8 years ago. So we're really quite good at reading those images.
Mm-hmm. And this is something that Adult and Pediatric Dental Care has been known for over a half century, starting with your dad.
That's right.
And coming right on through to today, and that is innovation and advancement. That's
right, Tim. I always talk to my dad a lot, and a lot of still old patients around here know him, but you went from belt-driven handpieces to, air-driven handpieces to electric handpieces, and those are the things that prepare a tooth, and now to even things like this, laser dentistry that we use, and like old Kodak film, that's what we used to use, and I have some old packages of old Kodak film that my dad used to have that I kind of keep around. But those are just things of the past, and actually Kodak is the digital imaging system that we use. They've switched over to this too because that's just the highest quality you can possibly get.
All right. Hey, Matt, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
Dr. Matt Crutch at Adult and Pediatric Dental Care.